Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very simple recipe for pound cake. Let's get started.
We start off with our ingredients. We need 1.5 cups or 180 grams of flour, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, half a cup or 120 milliliters of sour cream or quark, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar. Start out creaming the butter. Cream in the sugar. Beat in the eggs one at a time. Now, the name pound cake comes from the original concept of a cake made with a pound of butter, a pound of sugar, and a pound of flour. However, time and various expertise has given us this better version. Plus, a full pound of all of those ingredients would make a very large cake. Add vanilla, baking powder, and salt. Spoon in the sour cream. Mix in the flour. Scrape the batter and pour into a greased bread pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 60 minutes, or until a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Make sure you test it before taking it out of the oven. This cake is soft and dense and tastes like vanilla. It's perfect for a casual get-together. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.